Okay, I'm going to show you a little bit about the data content here and listen to some sounds. So the upper part in this software, this is the waveform. So this is essentially the data that is in the files. From that, you can calculate the spectrogram. So what do we have here? So in the waveform, we've got time on the x-axis, and the y-axis is intensity. So we've got our waveform. So from that, you can calculate the spectrogram. So we have the same time axis here, and now we have frequency, sound frequency. And you notice here that the sound frequency is going up to 24 kilohertz, calculated from the 48 kilohertz sampling. In the spectrogram, so now we have time, frequency, and then the color is intensity or loudness of the sound. So reds are loud, blues are quiet. And so in this particular example, and if you look at the scale here, this is roughly about 6 seconds that I pulled out from one of them to show you some variety of things. So the human sound range is probably in this range right here, say from a couple of kilohertz up to about 10 or 12, maybe 14 kilohertz in what we can reasonably hear. You might have heard that the human sound range maybe goes up to 20 kilohertz, but in reality, in this kind of a situation, you're probably not going to hear that. Okay, so then we have clearly some loud noise here. We've got very specific loud signatures coming in here. Here's something higher frequency coming in here, and then up here. So I'm going to play these at first regular speed, so you'll hear the sound as it was recorded and as you would hear it, and then I'm going to slow it down, which is going to make the higher frequencies audible to us. So as I'm playing this, you will hear this as something very high. When you play this, you will not hear that. It's too high of a frequency, but when I slow it down, you'll hear it. So here we are playing it at 6 seconds at regular speed. All right, now I'm going to slow it down to 1/5 speed and play it again. Now what you're going to be able to hear this now. Here comes this one. Here comes again. And a very low sound, one of the frogs or crickets. So try to discover what you can in this data set.